now we're going to.
We are, and then we are going to Ghana.
For that, no. You have -1 minute. Hi guys, welcome back. This is another retake. In front of you, you have your bills. The rules are simple. I ask a question. The first person that gets the correct answer gets to pick their main ingredients, either chicken or salmon. If you get the answer wrong, I deduct 5 minutes from your cooking time. You have a total of 50 minutes to cook. Are we good?
We're good.
We're going to start with the category social media. What month did the Instagram app launch? Go. Me.
Month or year?
Month. Time up.
So,
You didn't even give us how.
You knew the answer, so you don't.
yes, I said February.
So
Wrong.
Can we still?
Ooh, you should have not said anything.
October.
Correct.
See!
Wow.
Oh my God!
So, me and Sam, you have 45 minutes to cook. Abby and Julius, you have 50 minutes to cook. You may go ahead and pick either chicken or salmon. And you have 30 seconds to decide.
If I give us 30, finish it in 30.
We'll do Sam.
Thank you.
All right.
So
Now, you have one more thing. You have to either pick between pasta or rice. Marisa, please set the timer for 50 minutes.
Okay.
All right. And go now?
So I'm going to make a do.
Are you ready? And start. Everything you need,
Now we're on now.
everything you need is right in front of you.
You can put those spots.
Now you pick your pots if you want to pick your pots.
dibs on the pan.
We're going through it.
No.
It's over. Yeah. What kind of check that is that?
Come on, ladies. You don't know. Satisfy your palate.
Do you guys have a team name? Do you have a team name?
This is Akwa Ibom team.
The Akwa team. Do we have a team named Sam and me?
No, we good.
No name. The no name team.
Team A.
Team A. Is there a particular skill for cutting these onions, Julius?
You know, cutting onions is a craft you have to learn over generations.
Okay.
So the thing is that my great grandparents, they taught me how to properly dissect an onion and cut. You know, not a lot of people know this trick, and I'm going to really show you guys. So you guys need to learn all the people. So
Okay.
first of all, you need to make sure that those in the water so you don't get, you don't cry. You know what I'm saying?
Ladies, do you want to give them any advice?
Abby, there's a sticker on your pepper. Can you take the stickers off? There was one on these as well. Did you take the sticker off your pepper?
What is my...
Yeah, you can go ahead and hold.
Silence.
What are you looking for?
My phone.
Yeah. Sometimes I get so mad, there's no controlling me. My thoughts get so bad, I'm like, I might grab a bat, I don't know. My wrath, my blood boils over like, oh God, here goes. I lost all feeling from my head to my toes. You said some shit that I can't let go, so just stay tuned for the rest of the show. So is enough. I'll take a face full of pavement just to make a statement. I know there's no turning back. Oh God, adrenaline wasted, so mad I can taste it. I know there's no turning back. I'll do what it takes, I ain't making mistakes like that. I'll bleed on your face to make you go take it back. I'll lose my shit, I go crazy when I'm mad. And now you go wish you would shut the fuck up real bad. And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back. And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back. I'll take smoke, I'ma poke a hole through you, choking's overdue. Come at me and you won't get any older, dude. Crack your holder too. Heating up inside of me, blood so violently. Thanks for trying me. Now it's finally time to see how this rivalry becomes a dynasty. I know there's no turning back. Oh God, adrenaline wasted, so mad I can taste it. I know there's no turning back. I'll do what it takes, I ain't making mistakes like that. I'll bleed on your face to make you go take it back. I'll lose my shit, I go crazy when I'm mad. And now you go wish you would shut the fuck up real bad. And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back. And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back.
Your palettes are going to be rewarded, okay?
Amazing.
You know, so
How many minutes do they have, Marissa?
5.5 minutes.
5.5 minutes.
Where did this come from?
All right.
See if you're going to
Julius, how do you feel?
The thing is that from the beginning, I already mentioned that I was going to win.
Oh.
So this is not
Pretty
this is
confident.
a competition.
I'm not quite at the point where
Ladies, we are judging 3 categories. Creativity, taste, presentation.
okay. What is our, like, is it out of 10?
It is out of 10.
Okay. Are these gonna be anonymous? Because
No,
you
you-
have to go home with the people there. You guys have 2 minutes left.
2 minutes.
2 minutes. So for the sake of our relationships,
I'm looking forward to the taste. It looks a bit dry, but I'm guessing it might be juicy.
It needs
So
to be
you
juicy.
did say, Chef Nee,
Sorry.
you did say it is citrus lemon flavored.
citrus flavored lemon.
That would be the proper.
Presentation 7 and what else was? You didn't
Oh, we should serve
So presentation 7, your creativity was 8 because I like the parsley at the end. Abby, that is quite a skill right there. Sorry. It is landing perfectly and it's taste size appropriate. I'm impressed.
For us, we want to be satisfied, so we'll give you a note.
Not just tasting, taste.
It's literally just a taste session. I
All
love
right,
it.
you guys, go ahead.
Do you need knives with this, please? No?
We're trying to say.
Oh,
You have to go with the salmon.
and I feel that we did a really good job.
3 over 1.
Now, being honest with you,
No.
you guys are really biased with chicken because chicken has, it's like a catfish.
It takes skill to know how to cook salmon well.
Anyone can cook good chicken.
You just
Think about it. If you go to chicken, you get good chicken. If you go to KFC, you get good chicken.
Now, the expert
But
is grilled
salmon needs a very delicate touch. Yeah, thank you. Nah.
Judge, because in the end, people's palates are different.
Everybody's palate is different.
So,
So,
what might be nice
in fact,
palates?
if it goes with me, if it's me, I'll give it to the salmon and the
understand?
pasta.
No.
Because I
Palates are
cook. I
different.
know what
What
something
was
has to
the-
taste
the
like.
focus
The
on?
breaded
Focus
chicken
was
is
you guys.
fine.
What do you want to focus on?
That don't come back, oh. Yeah,
The original because
Marissa, do you need me on my team?
Yeah.
Or you can be on Alex.
I said you better come back.
Okay, I will definitely come back.
let's do it individual.
Rachel, do you
Team
have to
Ra-
cook?
No, Team
I don't
Rachel.
want to cook.
Team Rachel, Team Marissa, Team CJ.
We don't get teammates.
No, each of you. Each of you. Thank you. Alex. Thank you. I always knew. I don't disappoint you.
That was really good. It was really good.
Thank you.
I'm not gonna lie, that bread chicken was really, really
It was
good.
bad.
So what did this go before?
That pasta was lovely.
Oh, sorry.
Gus, you can go on.
I don't need the strawberry.
Probably, yes.
Oh, no.
No, no, no.